MSC Divina Room 16001. And this is in a yacht club suite. We have a big mirror here with a shelf. Sorry for the messes. To the right hand side, we do have a walk-in closet with a safe and drawers. Life jackets on top shelf, which you don't need to take them to muster drill. Plenty of hangers. Storage space. There's plenty of storage space. And then over here to the left, there is also more shelving for storage. So it's more than enough ample storage room for 2, maybe 3 people in this room even. Nice big bed. Lamps on either side of the bed. And sofa. I'm not sure if it converts to a sofa bed or not. Lamp, telephone, table, a little desk. We only have a couple of outlets here, and as you can see, none of them are actually USB. So we had to bring our own USB plug-in, and this one actually plugs into a European outlet. I don't remember where we got that from, but it's come in handy over the years. Little mini bar, I guess. TV, tiny TV. And now you are gonna see the disappointing balcony, and I say disappointing because I did not know this was like this. So this balcony is a forward-facing balcony. So it's pretty big out here. Big enough to fit a couple of lounge chairs in my opinion. But I'm not looking out over the ocean. I kind of am, but I have this horrible big window. I mean, that's my opinion. I don't like it. I would rather be looking out if I'm sitting down. If you sit down, you can't see out to the ocean. So that's my tour of MSC Divina Yacht Club Balcony Suite 16001. Thank you.